Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia Collins. In this video, I want to show you how I made this petal sleeve. It is also known as a tulip sleeve. It's a very nice sleeve style that could be placed on any style of fabric. Now let's start. The first thing you do is to get your pattern paper. In the pattern paper, you mark out 3 inches from the borderline, depending on how puffy you want the sleeve to be. Mine, I don't want it to be too puffy, so that was why I used 3. You can use 3, you can use 4, depending on how much puffed you want your sleeve to look like. Now you take the full length from the 3 inches, you take the full length of the sleeve. You take the full length of the sleeve. After that, you take the round sleeve. Remember, your round sleeve is being divided by 2. Then you add your allowance. I added 1.5 inches as allowance to the sleeve. After that, from this side, you take out 5 inches. You mark out 5 inches. Indicate it. Now, you measure 3 inches from this side. Then you mark out starting from the top, starting from the sleeve cap. You connect the lines to the 5 inches you mark down below. After that, you connect the lines to the hem of your sleeve. Then you cut it out. You cut it out like this. You carefully do that. After you are through cutting it out, you open up your sleeve. You open it up. After opening it up, you notch the tip of the cap. Please make sure you do that. After that, you mark out 5 inches or 4 inches, depending on how much you want the sleeve to lap. Now you go down from the center upward, you mark 4 inches. Then vertically, you mark 3 inches. Just do it this way I did it. Then you connect the lines. Connect the 3 lines, please. Connect it like so. After that, you cut out this part. You cut it out like this. Now, one side is needed. The other side, we don't need it again. You get your fabric, place the pattern on your fabric and cut it out. You cut out that exact pattern into 4 places and you align it with your hard stay or soft stay. I used a soft stay on this. You iron it and get it ready. It will be this way. It will look like this. I used 2 patterns on the fabric. Now, this side, you sew it together, you stitch this part. You do that on the 4 parts. You do that on the 4 patterns you cut out. You do exactly this, and after that, this is what it will look like. Yeah, this is what it will look like. You do this too on the lining. You sew up the lining, you close up the lining. After that, you give it a nice press, please. When you are through doing that, you join the lining and the main fabric together. The wrong side facing the right side facing each other, please. Now you sew up this side. Sew it up. Close up that side. After closing it up, please, you notch the end. Notch it very well so that you'll be able to turn it up. You notch it round, trim and notch, please. After that, you give it a nice press and it will be looking very nice. You do that on the both sleeve. You notch it round very well. After that, this is a nice look. This is the look it gave me when I finished turning it up, and I press it. Then you sew up the upper side, the armhole side. Make sure you sew it up just to close it up. This is what it gave me. You sew up the side. You sew up the side, please. After that, you now connect this side. You connect the tip. Remember, you notched it. That part you notch, you connect it together and sew it, close it up. Now, when you do that, it will look like a single sleeve. It will look like this. When you are done doing it, it will look like this. This is the look you will get when you follow up this step very well. Make sure you close it. Then you fix it to your blouse, either the blouse or gown. You can fix it. After that, this is the look it gave me. Thank you very much.